Hello, hello. How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Sorry it took so long to start my stream there. No, a little bit late. But yes, my microphone wasn't plugged in. I'm trying to figure that out. Just had to switch PCs and get a few things moving, but it looks like we are good. So if I can get a thumbs up or something in the chat, if you can hear me and we are all good, that'd be awesome. How we doing? Love Eyes, hello, hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. Astro, hello. How you doing today, Astro? You doing all right? Let's get my LEDs like going. Controller. Whatever. How do you? Might switch my mode as well. Do that. So we're working again on the projects, and today there's a few things I want to do. So I'll go through that in a second. I was just updating it, so let me just click get later. Okay, we're all good. Let me just open the project, make sure it opens. How many diddles going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I've now set this project up on 4 different computers, which is kind of crazy. Oh, it looks like the music is quite loud. I've turned that down a bit. I did have a complaint actually. Someone in the comments was like, I can't hear you over the music. Don't know what he's talking about. But no, I just looked at the levels and it was like, you know, if this is my voice and then this is the music, it was like, wait, where's my voice? Here. Okay, over this way is loud, over this way is quiet, and it was kind of like that. So the music was like almost there, but the music should be back here, like about halfway, if that makes any sense. It was too loud. Where's the chat? Okay, there we go. Will you be in your Discord VC at any point during the stream? I'm sat in the Discord for this project. I think we'll make this Discord public in probably about 6 to 9 months or something. Basically, when we're thinking about getting some early testing done on the game, like public testing. What we got going on here? Yeah, how you doing, Dizzle? Yo, what's cracking? Dude, busy day today. Excited to jump on this project. Astro, just got used to it. Usually I have music quite loud. Yeah, probably. My bad. I quite like music though. It means I don't have to talk as much. Okay, let me hit play to see what happens. Switch over. Okay. So if you haven't noticed, we are now on the streaming PC. Woo! Let's go. Hype, hype, hype. Okay, so in fact, I don't think you need that one running. Let's go like that. That'll do. Right, that's good. Gonna need some of this a bit minimized, but no, it's alright. JW, hello, welcome. So yeah, let me pause that for a second. So, yeah, I mean, there's been a few developments since the last stream. A lot of stuff probably on the other level. I've just started working on this, which is the dealership where you'll be buying like upgrades and buying new vans and whatnot. Also talking about, had a catch up literally like 30 minutes ago with everyone on the team, which is good, and discussed a few things and a few new plans, like making some destructible debris and stuff. Basically what everyone's doing. So the vehicle's now smaller and it's got much better driving mechanics now, bro. Like, it feels so much more like arcadey, like, and good. Like, yeah, man. I'm gonna put the music back on. But on to the music. Hello. There we go. Yeah, we think it's moving too quickly though, so we need to change that. Obviously, ignore the fact there's a player sticking out. We made a new path down here that will connect up the back of the casino. So we want to make everything more drivable and connected, so that no matter where you go, you're not really going to hit a dead end. I don't want to talk about it. I think I crashed it. Oh. We kill it. Maybe I can't do live session edits. Yeah, I need to verify that, but yo, thank you for subscribing, bro. Audio's all good. Awesome. This is cool. Thank you. Well, we're just loading back up. I crashed it. So at the moment we're setting up live services, so we can basically play the game together. Hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, imagine tomorrow we're able to play multiplayer. That's when the fun's gonna start, man. Yeah, she's loading up. So I've got a few things I can do today. I kind of want to new plugins. It is on. Okay. Yes. What was it? Oh yeah, I'm gonna just play for a second while talking. But yeah, started working on it's got my name written above my head, which is cool. But yeah, we need to make that player specific. So I'm working on a train track. So I wanted to have a train line going round. So yeah, but you see the car size is different now, because that was one of my complaints, I guess, was the car size didn't feel quite right. Kind of didn't fit the world design. So the metrics that we had, but yeah, now it feels so much better, and the vehicle driving is much better. If you don't suck, so yeah, I'm thinking for the train that it will come from like a tunnel from the cliff, and it will go through a cut through here, and then round and over the island, and then into another tunnel. I'm wondering, do we get it to go sort of like past and round here, so it like disappears off around the mountain? Tunnels are cool, but they also kind of are a bit like a cop out. They're a bit like especially a tunnel that doesn't, has either a black wall or some sort of fog or something. So having it go round the mountain might be better. I could also redesign this mountain here, so its valley is more like to the left here. Experimenting with having the camera zoom out when the van's driving. Yeah, that's one thing I've actually spoken about, which I want to do want to do that. I want to have it actually. I want to have it zoom out as you're driving. So, like the faster you go, the more the camera zoomed out. I got to just move a couple things around. So it looks like I do have some like CPU throttling happening right now. That's because when I switched over to Windows 11, it wasn't happy. So I think I need to reinstall Windows on this PC, like this specific PC, to fix that. I'm not sure what I can do to fix that right now. I can disable the music for now, which is kind of shit. Let me... Right, maybe if I put the scalability to low for now, that might help. But hopefully... I thought I fixed that issue. I've spent so long trying to fix that issue. Wave Wolfgang, good to see you, man. Yeah, I might have to go Crane, because I think it might be Discord, but I'm gonna try closing Discord. Sometimes it's the overlay stuff of Discord, like, messes it up. Let me see if it fixes it. You're back on Epic. Oh. Oh, now my keyboard's died. Hang on. Hello? Right, I've plugged my keyboard in direct into my PC, so it's not going into some weird box thing. What's happened again? Fucking technology, bro. My ever since I moved to Windows 11, this PC has just been like, it's literally had cancer. That's like the only way I can describe it. Like, it's destroying me mentally. I think I need to reinstall Windows. Oh, do you know what? Fuck this. I'm gonna go over to the to my other computer, which doesn't have this problem. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, I'm gonna switch PCs. So I'll be right back. Yeah, I don't have this scene and all this stuff set up on my other PC that's not fucked. Right. No. Okay. Right, give me a shout if you can see this. Let me know. Now running on a different PC, one that doesn't fucking crash. Or hitch and freeze every 2 seconds because of fucking Windows. Yeah, no, ever since I updated on my original PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11, it was just like, fuck you. Every 5 seconds I'm going to freeze for like 2 to 3 frames. And I've spent weeks and weeks and weeks trying to fix it. I think I literally need to nuke that PC and just like rip out the drives and put new drives in, or like, I don't know, reset those drives and just completely do a fresh new install. The problem is, it's got my Black Ops 3 install on it, and I don't want to lose everything I've done on Black Ops 3. Like, that'd be such a shame. So, I don't really know what to do. I really don't fucking understand. No one can figure it out. No one's been able to fix it. I've ran all sorts of crazy programs to try and resolve it. Literally fucking everything. So, I think I need to turn this computer off. That computer off for good. I just never turn it on again. And that's that. But yeah, no, I should have never updated Windows 11 on that PC. It was the worst decision that I've ever made. But you know, this PC is good. This is a better PC, but I've just not set up this PC for streaming properly. So that's the problem, because this PC is not set up for streaming. I don't have all of the fancy overlays and all that shit that you would have otherwise. Although alerts, let me see. Oh, no, I do okay, so I must have added it. Added some of it. I don't have all the fancy streamer bot stuff on this PC. Okay, let's get it all open and get going. Let's get the music on as well. So I'm gonna get the latest files. Okay, we are good. Load her up. How's everyone doing today? You doing all right? Doing good? Doing better than me for this? Alright. I'm trying to get to the stream so I can see the chat. Give me. There we go. Oh, did Ivo? Welcome. What's the game going to be? It's an online co-op crazy game. Will there be first person driving? I've tried it out, but I think we might keep everything. Well, I think we keep the driving third person. Yeah, right. Let me go back to Discord. There we go. Okay. Yeah, back on the main PC. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with the other PC, but it's literally fucked. There's nothing I can do to fix it, it seems. I thought I finally fixed it because it wasn't stuttering and shit when I thought I fixed it. But it's only started happening at that time after I went live. So I don't really know what the issue is. It could be a faulty CPU, or chipset or some shit that doesn't work. Like that CPU doesn't work on Windows 11 or something. So I think what I need to do is I need to wipe one of the drives, install Windows 10, and then move all my shit over to the new drive and just kill off the Windows 11 drive. And then reset it as a different drive. Just basically try and reverse what I did, which was moving from Windows 10 to 11. Okay, so load her up, Scotty. There we go. We're in. That's more like it. Pop the old chatteroony out so I can see what you're saying, and then ignore it anyway. Not intentionally, though. I'll just say it. It's a skill issue, not intentioned. You switch your mod tools folder, your new PC last year, install BO3 to new computer, and then drag BO3. It did overwrite everything and got everything back. Yeah, I have no problem with that. There's no problem with that. I have a huge problem with Windows not hitching and having issues. It's more like I shouldn't have to go back onto Windows 10 that's not going to be supported at the end of in 8 months time. There's going to be 0 security updates. The long-term support only lasts till this October. So it seems really stupid to go from Windows 11 to Windows 10 for it to then potentially get hacked, and there's fuck all you can do about it in eight months. So it just really pisses me off because I put loads of time and effort into moving everything over from Windows 10 to Windows 11. The fact it shouldn't be hitching and having all these issues. That's what's pissing me off. Basically, I just want to moan about it, and that's what I do. Oh, just want to have a moan. Fucking Windows, man. So yeah, well, I'll what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean one of the SSDs so it's completely naked and there's no data on it. Take all the other drives out so it's just that one drive. Install a Windows 11, a fresh copy, update it to full settings. Then do a stream and a test on it to see if it's hitching or not. Then add the other drives back in and see if it's hitching or not. And then we'll know whether either A is completely fucked and we just pull the plug on it and just never use that computer, or B, it's salvageable. Because it should be, because there's no reason I should be getting these issues. So, yeah, I'm going to do that. I just fucking hate these sort of issues, man. These sort of issues that make no sense. Like, you're not doing anything wrong. It's just the fucking hardware and software. It's just like, fuck you. No thanks. It's a Monday. What can I say? Right, back on to more positive things. I'm excited to get this. I'm excited to get this train line in because I think it adds a nice mechanic, like a nice sort of a nice element to this map. So it adds a cool vista thing. It also adds some motion and life to the scene. Some cool new sounds, a bit of movement. I think that's one of the issues a lot of games have, is they don't have enough like ambience in them. So it's not just sound, I mean like things moving and motion and life to them. And it's quite hard when things that move and have life cost in resource use, so you got to be quite smart about how you do things. So yeah, a million things to do. I want to keep improving the layout. I want to create a jump from here to here. I want to work on the boatyard area and add another crane in here. I want to clean up the factory area and actually start making like the apartment building and a little bit more of the factory backyard. I want to build the motel out so it's at least better than a few cubes. I want to work on the casino, do a little bit of an interior, but that's a low priority at the moment. Also the town itself, I want to get more propping done, so at least minimum like everything is at this sort of level. We've got more buildings to do. At the moment we've got a shop, and we've got a dealership, and we've got the office, but we also plan to have more places like a gun store, plan to have a bar, plan to have a gas station, which will probably actually be like a repair garage actually. Then talking about potentially having a sheriff's office, like a police station, a bar where you know you can get a drink, a church interior, potentially a fish and bait tackle shop and like a boat shop. Probably not have those interior, and then yeah, a little gift store, which I don't know, might be part of the general store, but maybe gift shop. Could do maybe a cafe, and then yeah, we've still got slots to be themed on other things. Whether I probably don't want them all enterable. Probably want to like make sure that everything has a utility to it. Yeah, maybe we can have more utility to things. But anyways, yeah, want to do the crane actually hook up to part of the jump. But yeah, then yeah, set up the train. So the train would need to build some bridges and make it look a little bit more like a train, and actually connect this up a little bit. I'm thinking of connecting it up from here, so then this becomes more of a road, then goes off over here, and then over the train tracks, and we've got a little farm here. So doing the farm idea. You can have the train going from time to time. Yeah, exactly. So like every 3 or 4 minutes, a train will go past. It'd be just a subtle thing, really, but yeah. So this will be a vista, and then it'll come over down to here, and then this will be playable area, and it'll enter the playable area, and the train will basically go like this. So as a player, you'll be able to get hit by the train if you drive into it. or get driven into it by it. But yeah. Lots to do. I want to make a carousel for this vehicle. So I'm just going to test something real quick. Oh, that's concerning. Little bit worried that if I view my changes, if I try and move that, is it gonna do that weird error shit? No, it works. Okay, fine. Okay, let's start building this out. So, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do environmental, I guess. Environment as a, and then how do you spell carousel? Because this is how I spell it. And then there's the correct way. I do spell it correctly. Great. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna make a new blueprint class. Call it BP underscore carousel. And I'm gonna save that. Okay, that's called a van complete. That's what that's called. Okay, so let's go open up that blueprint. And then we just need 2 meshes on here. So we need a static mesh like this, which is going to be a local cylinder, I think. And then for now, that will do. I probably want to set the material on that though. Okay, so I'm going to set that to just grey for now. Okay, and then I want to do a capsule here. So I'm going to do that capsule collision. We actually don't need it like that tall, so I'm going to go like that. Cool, that's good. And I'm going to call that the base mesh, because that's the base. And then I also want to have a an object that rotates on it. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to put a static mesh here. And do you know what? I'll delete that static mesh. I need to work out where that level is. So I should probably get the base and move that so it's like zeroed. And then that way I can just zero the mesh on top of it and know that it will spin. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. So I basically want to make a variable static mesh. I'm going to call this, what should I call it? Spinning offset or target. Yeah, target mesh. That'll work. Let's do static mesh. Could do an array actually, but that'll be alright. Be alright. Gonna save that. Gonna go to good. Gonna grab the capsule. Gonna expose that like that. And then on begin overlap, we're gonna do 4 do timeline. Add timeline. Cool. So, how slow do I want it to be? I want it to take like, probably take like, wait, let me just pretend to do it in the editor. So I probably want it to go like this. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times by 4, because that's going to be 4 rotations, is roughly 30. So I'm going to put 30 in here for the length. And then I'm going to add a vector. Okay, so I want to add this to 0 and the value 0. And then I'll add another one, add a key. So this I want to do time 30. And then I want to put zoom to fit and the value 360. Figure like that. So that's it. That's all we do. Compile that, save that, and then I can go back to the viewport. No, the here, and then as it updates, I want it to lerp from the. Let me just do this. So capture, set rotation. Set relative rotation, and we want to update that. So you go like that, update. Beautiful. Cool. We'll just do this for now. A float track. Maybe. What did I do? Vector. It's probably okay. I'll put that in here. Oh, do I need to split? Yeah, do the X. Oh, you know what? Can I just... Okay. I don't know how well that's going to work. I need to like take its current level and then add it to it. Its current rotation and add it to it so that it doesn't like flash to reset. But this is only very rough at the moment. So I actually need to do that with this target mesh as well. Not the capsule. So let's put that there. I don't know why we're doing here. Target mesh. Do I need to set a default on this maybe? And let me compile first real quick. What happened there, bro? What's going on with that? There we go. Somebody do van complete. I don't like this. What am I doing that's been really dumb here? Yeah. Don't like that. Don't like that. Why I gotta set that fucking mesh? Alright, I'm just gonna do it a different way. I'm gonna do it a different way. Let me just do this. I'm a designer in Unreal. So, I'll leave it on Arc Programmer to clean it up. Okay. Where the flip and flip of the flip is our mesh there? Why is it so goddamn tiny, bro? Right, let me just do like multiply by 4. It kind of works. Okay. Yeah, I actually need to lerp it, so don't like that. Don't like that. I'm doing something really dumb. Hang on. Very horrible to watch. How long have you been doing Unreal for? As a job for 7 years, although I don't touch code in my job. I just am a designer. But unofficially for mods and stuff, probably like 10 or so years, maybe more. I'd have to look at when I started making Pavlov mods. Yeah. Just want to see what happens if I put like ones in there. Or 100. Wait, oh, it had a bit of an illusion there. I thought I saw it moving, but it's tripping. Right, the easier way of doing this is just to add a rotating component, but I don't want to do that right now. I want to figure this out. I've set up a lerp for the door, so I should just check what I did for the door. Where did I put it? Here. What did I do here? Oh yeah, normal lerp times X pin. Okay, yeah. I think I was using the wrong lerp node. So I need to take the X value and lerp it to 360, and then I want to split that pin and put that into the X value. I think is what I wanted to do. Hey, it's doing what I want it to do now. It's because I picked the wrong bloody node. Well, when I say it's doing what I wanted it to do, I think you know what I meant. It's not doing what I want it to do, but that's not what I intended, but it's the right thinking, okay? It's yeah. I just want to see a full loop. See, it doesn't oh, okay. It's a weird card show. Bro, it's given up on me, man. Oh, it's because yeah, it's because the It's because the rotation is set to it's set to 360, and then it won't lerp back to 360. So yeah, if I do that, yeah, if I do that, then you actually reset it. But instead of rotating that way, though, let's do the Z. And yeah, we'll just do it that way. And see if it actually works now. Hey! Let's go. Makes me want to buy that car now. Look at it. It's spinning around. Worth so much more money. It should keep going now. I'll be interested to see if it flickers when it meets the loop. Let's have a look. Is it going to flicker? No, it didn't flicker. But if I leave and rejoin, it should keep going. No? Just can't code, that's the problem. Oh, here we go. Play from start. There. I think that's the fix right there. Don't worry, we've only got to watch this car spin about another 5,000 times. No, this is enough for the prototype. Well, not prototype. Enough for my placeholder lockout. And then we can actually make it do it properly later. But yeah. So this will actually stop. But when you walk back up to it again, it will go again. Yeah. So I mean, that's what I wanted to do. What happens if you walk away? Yeah, it just resets to 0. Resets to 0, yeah. Instead of lerping to 360, we should do get relative rotation. Add relative rotation. Maybe that's it. Because then promote split start. Yeah, we go like that. Because instead of set, then it should add to it when. Yeah, and that way it won't like. Well, shit. That ain't doing it. I fucked it. Oh, I broke the pin. Hang on, there we go. Because I don't want to wait so long. I'm gonna put like 4 there. Okay. And now we should see it all happen within 4 seconds. Because faster testing equals faster code. I think it's adding 360 rotations on top of what's already there every second. Yeah, wait. Instead of begin overlap, what you should do is check and see, is overlapping actor capture here, and do like a branch. Yeah. And then like here, I'm just going to do 0.0 or 0.1. And then here, I'm going to put that into here. Finished into here. And if it is overlapping, then we'll hit play. Otherwise, print. Buy the car, you scumbag. Okay, there we go. 10 out of 10 bulletproof coding right there. Woo! Party, party, party. That didn't work, did it? How we doing, Anto Game? What's up, man? Yeah, I think we just do play like that. Bam, 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 bam. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. It works. We'll just ship it. Ship it. I don't know why. I just wanna delete all this. Okay, let's do 360. Instead of relative rotation. Set actor rotation. There we go. Okay. I think what I needed to do was this, and then no, not that. So I want it to play, but I want the Z. Why is it not working? Yeah, rotation. Set rotation. Set actor rotation. Actor. Split. That not working. Add relative rotation, add local rotation, set relative rotation. Gonna do it, is it? Right. Yeah, I think that is doing the whole like Superman spin. Shit. Okay, it's not working. We got it working, but when it's finished, it comes down here and it goes, is it overlapping the actor? is the capsule being overlapped by the other. The other in this case should be the player, so that should still be true. Which is the annoying thing. When do I want this to spin? I just want it to keep spinning if you're still standing in it. What other firing conditions do we have here? Like events. On component. Yeah, let me see. I'm going to put here is overlapping. Is overlapping. Yeah, that's the same bloody thing. We're overlapping. Get overlapping actors, components. Yeah, this is just getting messy here. What we could do is this just seems a bit messy, but do an end overlap, and then we can just we can have this here where we set a variable called spinning, keep spinning. I feel like this is going to get very messy with people leave the game, then it will just keep spinning. Bad design. Keep spinning true, and then once you leave, keep spinning false. And then we'll do a keep spinning like that, and then that way it's bulletproof and this is ready to ship. Alright. Should just keep spinning now. Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me, game? This is meant to take 2 seconds and we're meant to move to something else, but it's taken forever because I'm not very good at coding Unreal. This is kind of new to me, so yes. This me is true, then yes, play from the start. Let's try that one. Does that do it? Just doing play from the start. I don't think that will do it. I don't think I will do it. I think I need to literally set the Z to 0. I did it. I love how this editor likes to prove me wrong. So when I say something, it just does the fucking opposite. So you got it working, IceGrenade. Well done. Well done. Walk away and it'll start spinning. You walk near it, it's just going to keep spinning. You've done it. You've done it. Sell this game now. Live happily ever after. Beautiful. Right, call it there. I'm gonna go put this to that size. No, let me just undo that. That size. Cool. Go like that. Save. Component replicates. I need to verify that. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Oh yeah, I need to make it last 30 seconds. Okay. What's up? How we doing, Jimmy? Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's great. So the idea is that as a player, you'll kind of, you know, when you're in the showroom, it will spin. But then as soon as you sort of leave the area, it'll stop spinning. So you see it's still spinning right now. I'm going to kind of leave the area, but far enough away that you probably wouldn't notice. It'll just sit there. You see it stop spinning. I'll walk a bit closer to here. It's spinning again. Yeah, buddy. It means that it's not going to be wasting resources trying to animate that unless you're around here. Very nice. Yeah, the only thing I need to change now is put the little platform there. Get rid of that one. Put that like there maybe. Make sure it doesn't set the default rotation to there. Cool. And then I need to check and see what happens if I go like this. Is it gonna snap it? No, it works. Haha. It's relative. That's great. Brilliant. Bam, 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 bam. Beautiful. I'm on the carousel, ladies and gentlemen. We're on. We're going round. Oh, yeah. This is going to be the highlight of this game. People are going to buy this game just to basically have a desktop screensaver and just sit and enjoy the view. Brilliant. IGN 10 out of 10. Okay. That'll do for now, Donkey. That took like 10 times the amount of time it's supposed to. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't want to work on the farm or the bridge. I kind of want to make a cool bridge, but can you attach the cars to the carousel and rotate the carousel? Alright, smart ass. Yeah, I should. I should rotate the carousel. I was just thinking that. Not gonna let me escape that easily, are you? Or just go like that. I don't know if that works. Actually, I think it does double the amount of stuff. Actually, it's on the component begin overlap, so I've got to leave the volume and come back. Yeah, it's doing it now. It's moving. That works really well. I'm going to be lazy though and just leave it like that. But later on I should probably do it a smarter way. But yeah. Oh, I hit. Oh, bro. It escaped by accident. I kind of wanted to. I wanted to record a clip, but it bloody. It stopped. Let me just do that again. Here we go. New. like that. Start. Yeah, I should be able to just like trim it. Okay, so I should be able to trim that now. Let's put that to like there. I know. I don't like it. I don't like it. I think we can do better than that. I think we can put this like there, and then I can press F8, and then I can do the whole thing, and then do that, and then go like 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 that. Oh, I think I fell off the carousel. There we go. Right, that'll do. Did I talk during that? Stella, how we doing? What's up? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh man. Okay, I think it's cool. I think it's cool. I think we can trim it down. Maybe do I want to show that bit? No, just go to there. That's cool. Let me apply and then save, and then yeah. Hang on. Save. Still going around in circles. I mean, and kill the game. How many meg is that? 21 meg. Fuck. GIF. Low res. Copy. Right, how many megs is this one? Yeah, how you doing today, Zella? You doing alright? What are you working on these days? Zella's a Black Ops 3 modder and makes some great stuff. Well, I have no idea what you've been cooking lately. Well, I'm gonna kill that and then go over to Handbrake. How's the game coming along? Yeah, really good, man. Really good. We are day 13, I believe. Let me quickly check. Yeah. Only really getting running at like 11 or 12 days ago. But yeah, I know my screen is black. I am just doing something potentially sensitive information on the screen. So let me just do that real quick. And then I can show my screen again in a second. But 2 megs, that works. Right. Video. Okay, I can share my screen again. If I can find OBS. There it is. See, this is what I captured. Yeah. Show the player, shows you what sort of walking around. I might be able to use that for like a little part of a dev update thing. So we're going to transit. Oh god. Why is the Z capital in transit? Is it because it's zombies? I don't know. Or are you doing something different to call it like? I don't know. Yeah, the game's coming along well. Yeah, we got the driving mechanics working a lot better. Big Stone's made it a lot more arcadey. The character mesh is getting some great updates, including the art assets. Yeah, man. Been working on the improving the layout. Some of the blueprints and stuff like within the game. I can show you the shop. Yeah, layout's getting better. Dude, that's so much nicer to jump. That's so good. Do move around a bit too much though. Hey, carousel works when you're driving. That's dope. All right, let me park this car somewhere safe. Beautiful. We can go in. I've literally parked in front of the door. There we go. Oh yeah. Cool. So yeah, I got the oh my god, the audio. I spent so much time faffing around with the audio. Got it working how we wanted it to work. So there's so many different, there's like a million different things you can do for every little sound in Unreal. But I wanted it to be like sound like this when you're up close, and then when you walk away from it, I wanted a little bit of a dark on the volume, but not a lot. But then we had an issue where you could hear the speakers outside, and we didn't want that. So now when you walk outside, it fades off, and you don't hear it when the door, when the door's closed. And if you go around to where the speaker was, you used to be able to hear it through the wall here, and you can't hear it now. So it's pretty good because there's going to be a whole soundscape. Like when you're out here, there'll be environment sounds, there'll be music, and we didn't want like the huge clash. So yeah, a lot goes into every little thing. Oh, this bell was fun. I made that, I think yesterday or the day before, maybe on Sunday or just Saturday. It's using physics and it's really, really janky, but it's quite fun with the sounds, and yeah, I'll improve the collision so it doesn't mess up as much. But yeah, it's still quite fun though. Right, I would have carried. Oh, there it is. Okay, great. So yeah, music. Yeah, this is. How do I describe this game without giving it away? So, bro, enter me in to the Olympics for that driving. Yeah. So, the thing is, I want to tell everyone everything, but I also want to keep the main theme of the game a secret until we're near release. But yeah, it's a co-op adventure game. where you're gonna have to try and survive day to day as things get crazier and more difficult. It's a chaos simulator. There's going to be a lot of chaos in this game, so yeah, a lot of things can happen. Oh, I might move that barge so you can actually jump like off the bridge onto it still. Yeah, chaos game. Loading into different levels. It will have some shooting elements to it. Yeah, we've got some funny ideas for the theme. Should be good. Yeah, this is the arts. So this is an asset. We're working on the art style at the moment. The landscape material is temporary. All of this, everything in the town right now that you're looking at is all placeholder block artwork. I think there's only like a couple assets that are actually how they probably will be when the game's launched. Like, oh, they've been reset. Okay. Yeah, like this asset might be how it is in the in-game. This one might be a bit overscaled, but these barrels, I think this windmill will be like this. But everything else is going to change. Yeah, I think the bear, slight tweak, but the bear is going to be like that. Yeah, appreciate it, Seller. We're working hard over the next 5-6 weeks to get the core prototype working. Go from there. I'm going to load up the other level, so that should be good fun. If I can find it. So the job level. So yeah, we've got some hazards here. Some placeholder hazards I'm working on. 20% chance of that blowing up. Oh my god, that made me jump. Okay. Dude, I want to get that double, like the double one. Whoa. To make Crane, we need to make it so when you look up, you can't see the hair. I don't know how we do that though.
Wait, did I hear my name? I just got back from the store.
Have you tried looking up in the game yet?
In what, did you just put the update through, or is this like?
This is latest. Yeah, if you look up you see the hair.
About the
haircut, the hair. Yeah.
Yeah. The character model. Yeah. I'll have to change the camera location on them.
We could probably do it the same.
I'm still working on those.
The same way we're going to hide like the third person from third person. We can just attach the hair to that and have it not render. Anyways, yeah, that carousel will do for now. Yeah, I've been working on different ideas for the job level. And part of the building kit for that. That's what this is. I might do like an idea on an asset pass for that. So I'm going to put this into a folder. Call it 3-tier layout. And then going to move it over here. arted. Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's just do it this way. And like that too. Okay, so that's the cottage wall. Yo, did you do some changes to the scaling?
On the like library or everything?
Like the Woodhouse assets? Like the copy of the blockout ones?
Oh, the blockout ones? I shouldn't have touched the blockout stuff, no.
Because they've been scaled somehow.
Yeah, no, they shouldn't. They
What?
shouldn't have been messed with. Which one specifically? Is it like just all the blockout
Woodhouse
stuff, or?
wall. Let me have a look. Oh, it looks like it's just the wall. Wait, let me see. Yeah, wall half is
Oh,
fine.
these walls. Okay, yeah, I do remember. I
It's
think
just
I
it's just the wall
highlighted
one.
those and then tried to scale them back. So yeah, those are at 148 or whatever.
Oh, okay.
Um,
We don't want to change
then
the scale on these.
okay, yeah. So that 14584 that is just one. It should be at least. Because I think I actually scaled them down and then told AI like, what do I have to scale these to get them back to where they were? Because I had applied a lower scale on them. Um, so is the size themselves good, or do they actually need to go to one?
Well, they're not what they were, and they're broken, and they're too small now. So I don't know. Um,
Like on your if you go to the general scale, does it
they're
say
one one
one or
one.
does it say
Yeah, 111.
okay? Try 1.4584.
1.4584.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
should
that's right.
be what they are, and then just apply that scale to them. Um,
What?
yeah, because I think
Okay.
I had done that, and then I forgot to actually apply the scale to them or build
Okay.
the transform.
Right. Model transform bake. Uh. Yeah. Accept. Hopefully that's. Oh fuck. No, it's not good.
Okay, so
Wait. Oh, wait, hang on. I think it's good. I think it is good. I think it is good. Um, my God,
yeah, 'cause
everything's freezing.
that should be what they're looking for. Basically, I scaled all the other assets around it, and then realized that I had actually selected those two. So I just like upped the scale on those to get them back to whatever.
Let me add them to a new one called scale fix. Okay, so let's do that. Bake. Accept.
Yeah, I just double checked them. So yeah, that 14584 is does match these other ones that we previously scaled. So yeah, that should work.
Cool. No, that's good. Yeah, that's really confusing, but that's all good. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Oh. To be honest, I might just save this as a new level. Just do yeah. Get rid of them. Goodbye. Okay, working at a separate level because it'll just be so much easier. Now I can do this, select them all at once, and do that. Layout UV, no, not that. UV unwrap, no. UV editor. Is it? Edit UV stream? No. Edit material. What was the name of the material setting to pick a roughness and all that?
So in the like primitive data for roughness,
Primitive.
Yeah, it's under the rendering tab.
Yeah, rendering. There's no tabs here because I'm in the we never figured it out to do it in.
Oh, in the static mesh editor.
Yeah. Maybe not.
True.
Okay, we gotta figure out.
Yeah, I can mess with that now. I'll look up how to get these properly applied to the actual asset themselves.
Alright, let's see.
Maybe the construction script, I think, is what we'll have to do. But yeah, if they're not components, then yeah, let me look into this.
Um,
Yeah, it seems like the custom primitive data indexes are only for actors placed at a level. So what you can do is I would just, once they're all on the level, just shift select all of them in the outliner, and then you can apply them to all at once.
wonder if multiple of textures. Make some like wallpaper using the grid in an interesting way. Or the matrix. The master material.
Oh yeah, with the UVs and UV5.
Yeah. I don't know if you see my screen. I'm not sharing.
No, actually, I just put up your stream though, and I see it.
Yeah. It's quite cool.
Yeah, it is interesting. I would say like don't feel free not to mess with the UVs though. Since
Yeah.
that'll all be redone whenever I apply the new assets and Blender and all that.
Mm-hmm. You know, there's an issue with the material sometimes with movement.
Oh yeah, I don't know why it does that. I just added a basic nice texture to it.
Might be to do with like the temporal stuff. Not sure.
Yeah, I think it has to do with the world like projection on it, because basically, let's see here, what did I use it last week? Yeah, to project the noise, I did absolute wall position. And that's ran into a vector noise, which is probably not the right setup. I was just messing with nodes, seeing what I could do.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, it's not surprised there's weird artifacting and stuff going on with it. And then obviously the texture itself isn't really what we want to go with either. So, yeah, just ignore all that for now. I just wanted to put something on the material to mix it up so it wasn't just a flat texture everywhere.
No, that's fair. You might want to change this bookshelf later, but let's start building something. Up 23. And then X90. X90 up 23. Alright, let's just do that real quick. I'm gonna call this Hazard Triggered. Capsule. Oh, no, no. For now, I'm just going to delete Destroy Actor. Capsule. Oh, I can't do that. Um, 90 on the X. Really want it to be. That will do what I want it to do. Okay. Let's make it bigger for now. Let's go check it out. Yeah. I forgot to put the Z axes in, but yeah. So like it wobbles back and then it slams to the ground. Oh, so good.
Yeah, I like that.
First draft, right. Need to move its like origin actually. Let's do Hazard front pivot. And let me just move that here. Edit pivot. Oh, undo that. accept that. Yeah, now if I use that mesh, you move it back a little bit like that. Yeah, now it should like land in the right place. Yeah. Kind of want it to like kind of wobble when you're near it, and then only when you get close enough it'll like, yeah. What as if I like run into it right now? Yeah, just what I want to do, maybe after it's done, want to apply force or radial impulse. I want to apply it on the layer. Add force. Oh, I wonder what happens if I add force to the bookshelf and then like I'd need to enable physics. What happens? Could be a bit crazy. Oh, that's not right. Right, that. I need to do this. I need to disable physics. And then retest. Yeah, but I know why that's complaining. Physics. Yeah. Now we'll do it. Okay. Forgot to hit enable there. Right. Oh man. What I want to do then is then disable it. Destroy component, go like that. Be the first thing I do. Okay, let's do like delay. Gonna have some very interesting results there. Come on, yeah. Okay. Do like 0.5. Okay, let's see what happens there. Now it's like locked in place. Oh no. Oh. Yeah, it needs to be off. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. I think it's too quick. I'm gonna put like 2 seconds in there. I do forest. Oh, we got the double bang. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I don't know about this setting physics nonsense, but this bit's nice though. Just the slam. So leave it like that for now. And still that sound though. Oh no, I don't want to do that. I want to play the slam when. I want like an asynchronous thing. No. What's the best way of doing that? Maybe like. I think I do it here. I don't do it here. Alright, let's do that. Sound play. Yeah. Get. So. If is like I want to do when it's like 90 basically. Probably I don't think we need any of that actually. No, I can do it after. Yeah, I can do it after, that's fine. Come on you. Alright, now we've got a temporary slam sound on there. Yeah, okay. Alright. Trim that. Apply. Copy. I'm learning game dev course in college because my dream to start my own studio. Nice, man. That's dope, man. My advice to you is just start creating. Don't wait until you finish college. Just start making stuff, man. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Just make cool stuff. So yeah, with this, I'm kind of thinking that have it go like that, but sometimes you have like minus 25 plus 25 on the Y. Let me see what happens if I do lerp, and then I'll do like random int random integer int range. Minus 25 plus 25. Okay. So I'll get random. In. What's the best way of getting a random in? Random in. Because I'm gonna put here random Y, and that's going to be integer, and I'm going to set random set. Cool. And then that becomes get random Y. Not gonna do. I'm gonna get it here. And then that goes there to Y. Right, if I've done that right, it should have a slight randomness to where it falls. Right, it should be like, yeah, that time it was like directly down, but I don't think it's doing it. I think in the timeline, oh, I think I need to copy all of that. Okay, and Y, I just need to set this from 0 to 1 or 0. Add key to Y. Or 90. Yeah, let's just do that. Oh, this rotation. Maybe it's not the Y that I need. Maybe it's the Z. That's what I need, but you see how it's doing 90. I need to get the timeline. Yeah, instead of alert, I instead need to somehow, maybe I can like, yeah, I think I don't, yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of this for now, but yeah. I have an idea of how I can do that, but I'm going to leave it for now. Let me leave it like that, but leave it that for now. Bang. Alright, I'll leave it at that for now. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go, but thank you so much for tuning in. I will be back on Wednesday and probably continue this project. So, yeah, we've done a few little things there. It's complaining about the doorbell. Ray, get item. No. Yeah, I want to figure that out real quick before I go. Wait. Hang on, what was I doing here? What was I doing? Set default custom data vector. I don't think we need that. I don't remember that being an issue. It's gonna get rid of that for now. Okay, I'm gonna submit. Yeah, that'll be right now. Submit. Added vehicle carousel. Added bookshelf hazard. small landscape. Paint. Foliage. Set different material UVs to wood house set, or some of them at least. I think it's good. Submit. And my work here is done for the day. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Yeah, man. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Got a little carousel working. And also got a bookshelf for him. Very simple, basic stuff. Yep. Cheers, guys. See you. Take care. Don't forget to smash a like, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I'll see you Wednesday. Bye, bye, bye.